Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Test Tube Beauty. Now this is mostly skincare. I think we have gotten like mascara, but I think it's mostly skincare. This is bi-monthly. So I'm not sure what month this is. I'll have to actually look. And I also don't know how much it costs. So that will be on the screen. But usually this is what the packaging comes like, and it comes in an outer box, and that usually also has other products in it. So it's a pretty stacked box, and I think that we get really good products in here. So let's go ahead and start digging in. You do get a booklet that tells you how much everything costs, or if it's like a travel size, it tells you how much the full size is. But I think most of the things that come in here are full size. So let's dig into it. Okay. All right, the first thing I am pulling out of this box is Scar Away. And what is it? Scar Away is a clinically supported advanced treatment that drastically improves the appearance of scars, and it promises to administer results in as little as 4 to 8 weeks. Okay, and that retails for $25. I don't have a need for this, but I will pass it along to my daughter. She's gonna have another baby, so maybe she can use this on stretch marks. I don't know. The next thing I am pulling out is Neocell Collagen Protein Peptides. It's huge. It's a huge, huge bottle. What is it? Collagen powder is the ultimate and easiest way to achieve glowing skin and healthy hair from naturals from within. And nails from within. How to use: mix 1 scoop of this dissolving powder into your coffee, tea, or smoothie for clinically proven results. I don't know. I'll try it. I'll see. I mean, I'm older. My skin and hair and nails need all the help they can get. The next thing I am pulling out, what is this? 3-step skin care kit recharging. Better skin, better tomorrow. Step 1, glow cleanser. Step 2, intensive sheet mask. And step 3, hydro moisturizer. I'm sorry. And this stuff retails for $40. So, and then this retails for $4. What it is: exfoliate includes a cleanser, peeling pads, and a sleeping mask. And recharge includes a cleanser, sheet mask, and hydro moisturizer. Okay, so you could have gotten either or of that. And I got the recharging one. So that's cool. All right. Let's open up the tube. First thing I'm pulling out is a really, really pretty color. Orally Breathable Treatment Color. I'm assuming it's nail polish. It looks like nail polish. Sounds like nail polish. And it retails for $10. What is it? A 1-step nail color that acts as both a polish and a treatment. The formula is breathable, allowing excess moisture to escape for longer lasting manicures. It also doesn't need a base or a top coat. That's cool. And that is a super pretty color. I will definitely wear that. The next thing I am pulling out is Brilliant Black Toothpaste. And it retails for $25. That's a little insane to me, but that is a huge bottle. And it's by Terra & Company. What is it? An organic toothpaste that utilizes activated charcoal in order to visibly whiten teeth. It's also been clinically tested for everyday use. So that's cool. I'm down. I mean, I'm not opposed to it. Let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is by Native Fig. And it is this is a vitamin-enriched leave-in spray, coats hair with vitamin C and E and calcium. Instantly sealing in moisture and leaving hair frizz-free and detangled. And this retails for $18. Did I say that? Yeah, I said that toothpaste retail for $25. That's a bit steep for some toothpaste, but I will use it. I definitely won't not use it. The next thing I am pulling out is by Dr. Brandt. What is it? A double duty primer that delivers all-natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections. It retails for $38. Okay, so as you guys know, I am pretty dead set on the primer that I have. I am branching out and trying another primer, but generally things that sit directly on my face, I don't like veer out of that section too often. Just because I do have sensitive skin. Did I say that retail for $38? So I will probably just pass that along. And the last thing I am pulling out is by Lemieux. I hope I'm not slaughtering that. It retails for $60. What is it? It's a hyaluronic serum. A skin plumping line filler, volumizing and transform skin, leaving behind dewy, flawless glow. So there is that. Just real quick, I am going to throw this in this video. I need to go through and organize some skincare. And I have unopened skincare that has just been kind of sitting, that I kind of need to get recycled through so I can maybe try things like this. And I was just wondering, or I would like to open up a mega subscriber giveaway right here. And only if you're interested, but it's going to be skincare that I kind of need to weed out of my collection just so I can start using things. They might be samples, they might be full-sized, but it will just be skincare because that's something I need to organize through really bad. If you are interested in this mega subscriber giveaway, just comment down below to enter you, and then I will pick a winner. Let's see, today's Monday. I will pick a winner 2 weeks from today, whatever that date is. I will actually look it up and put it on the screen right here. And I will pick a winner. Yeah, that's really it. Just say enter me, and then keep an eye out for when I post in the comments who the winner is. But again, it will just be strictly skincare that I need to get rid of. Unused, unopened, just a little older, so I need to kind of weed it out. So just let me know. I mean, as far as I know, nothing's expired. Just older stuff I need to get rid of. So that is it for Test Tube Beauty. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this took you out of your space for a little while today and you had a little bit of fun with me. Have a great day. Bye.